Hello guys, welcome to the episode 12 of the series. If you guys have not watched other episodes from episode number 1 to episode number 11, then all the other episodes are on my YouTube channel, or you guys can just follow me on my Telegram. Link is given in the description box and the comment section pinned. You guys will get all the episodes in the form of a playlist I share there. And if you have any doubts, discussions you want to have with me, कोई भी discussion या doubt है आपका, feel free to join the Telegram. Now guys, let's get right into the video. आज का video special क्यों है, I will tell you, and then I will tell you where we are heading towards through this video. क्या मोटिव है मेरा, क्या मोटो है मेरा इस वीडियो के थ्रू आप लोगों को क्या नॉलेज देने का. तो गाइस, वी आर हेडिंग टूवर्ड्स 4 स्विंग ट्रेड्स जिसमें मैंने टोटल 40,000 रुपीज से ज़्यादा बुक किया है. ऑलमोस्ट 43,000 रुपीज इन 4 स्विंग ट्रेड्स. ओके, आई विल डिस्कस कि उनमें से विच टाइप ऑफ स्विंग ट्रेड्स in this current market situation does not work anymore. Okay, and which type of trades are still working fluently. Okay, so that's why this video is going to be really important. I will do the bar replay, trade breakdown, verification of the trades, and the most important thing, the raw emotions attached, risk management, क्या था सब कुछ इस वीडियो में आपको देखने को मिलेगा. Let's get right into the video. It's going to be fast video. I hope all of you who are here watching these videos and series, आप लोग इन videos को like कर रहे हो. We are aiming for 50 likes for this video. Now let's get right into it. Okay, so starting with MPS. So this was a structure, and I'm going to tell you that these type of structures, these type of trades in current market situations, if you are seeing, ये काम नहीं कर रहे हैं in the current market situations. Okay, so मैंने इसमें back then I made profit in this particular trade around 11,000 rupees, but in the current market situations, if you are trading these structures, you might hit your stop loss. Okay, now, so the overall thinking behind this particular trade is that it is hitting this particular level multiple times. Okay, so that's why this trade came onto my radar. Okay, now let's do the verification. 1 2 3, 3-time verification done. These are the 3 trades that we are going to discuss. 4 trades, these 4. So MPS is the first one. I've booked 12,000 rupees in this, 7 to 8% captured. Coming to the trade now. So right here I've thrown a counter trend line, almost a horizontal breakout, almost, but I've still thrown a counter trend line, inverted head and shoulder type patterns there. That's all the bullish signs I'm seeing. I'm not a inverted head and shoulder or double bottom type trader. Okay, these are bullish confirmations that I'm seeing in the market. Okay, now when you go to the monthly time frame of the stock, you will see the stock is trading above the monthly resistance. When you go to the weekly time frame of the stock, you will see the stock is trading above the weekly resistance. When you go to the daily time frame of the stock, you will see it's trading exactly at this area. Now I want a closing above this, so that was the closing. Okay, to the bar replay I'm showing you. So this was my entry, a very small stop loss of 6%. Okay, and 1:1 was my risk reward ratio. The next day only, just a single day, sometimes the trade is lucky, you get lucky 1 or 2 days and the trade gives you target, right? This is one of those trades, but the setup was perfect. Okay, it's not like I'm trading anything that is trading at the exact resistance of weekly or monthly resistance. If I'm seeing something on the daily time frame, I am also analyzing it on the bigger time frame and it is trading above that. Yes, this is a horizontal type of breakout. Now in these type of markets it will not work. Okay, but still I made money and that's why I'm sharing with you all. Now the second trade idea is Ether. Almost the same thing happening here again. Let's see the PNL. Ether, 1 lakh was the deployed amount and I made 9% in this particular trade. So let's get right into it. Okay, so again the same thing. We go to the monthly time frame of this particular stock. We see the stock is trading above the monthly resistance. We go to the weekly time frame. We see it's trading above the weekly resistances, right? We go to the daily time frame and finally we saw multiple rejections. The red line that I've thrown here, the red counter trend line that I've thrown here, multiple rejections to that, a gap up, and gap up is sustained and then gives a solid candle. So it's trading at all-time highs, almost again a similar type of horizontal breakouts. Now, two things you need to remember. I had some profits. I've been sharing all these trades of mine, all the episodes. If you guys have not watched these episodes, definitely go check them out. Watch all of them, binge them on weekends. You will understand a lot about swing trading, believe me. Okay, and if you want the playlist, follow my Telegram right now. Link is in the description box and comment section. Now, here, if you see this particular trade, I had profits from my previous trades. So that's why I'm going into trades like this, experimenting a lot of things. And because I made profit in MPS, that's why I entered Ether as well, the next trade. Okay, so the moment I'm entering this particular trade, my mindset is that I made money in the previous some trades. There was a winning streak going on. All these things combined together to give me a push that, yeah, these type of horizontal breakouts, I can trade them in these type of markets, the bullish market. But right now, if you see, the markets are down. Okay, some time frames are bearish, some time frames are bullish. So there is a mix of emotions of bearishness and bullishness. So in these type of markets, you need to be having A plus setups only. There's not a plus setup, it's just a type of setup, just a type of setup. Or if you ask me, in these type of markets, these are going towards more of a B type of setup also. So that was my risk reward management in this particular trade, although I captured a bit more, maybe 8-9%. Let's see. So that was my risk, that if it falls back to this area, I'm going to exit my trade. But no, it gaps up and directly hits my target. Again, 1 day trade. So yes, I'm not saying that all these horizontal breakouts which are trading, which are giving multiple resistances, counter trendline breakout, almost a horizontal breakout on a daily time frame, and trading above monthly and weekly time frame substantially are giving 1 day movements. No, this is not at all a research study that you can take out of it. Two trades is not data. I have thousands and thousands of trades data, which tells me this is pure luck right here, that it is giving you target in a day. Okay, it definitely can give you stop loss also. It definitely can give you target in like a week, a 2 week. Okay, but the average is not 1 day. Okay, it is just that it's happening, right? So I'm just giving you the raw data. I'm just giving you whatever I'm learning. Okay, so I will not, I will never share anything like I'm taking a trade, next day it's giving me target. No, in reality that never happens. Now the next trade, these are the type of trade, guys, that I love in these type of markets. Also the current, you guys can say the Trump markets, because that is the whole scenario right now. Trump tariffs is shaking the markets right now, so I'm calling it Trump markets, of course. So these Trump markets are very volatile, and current Indian markets is also consolidating, correcting from a bigger bull rally that it has given. So these type of trades are working much better. This particular stock right here, Birla Corp. So what was my plan in this particular trade? A very beautiful descending triangle pattern. I had some historical labels for this particular stock to look out. Higher lows were being made, higher lows constantly before the breakout happened. So this was the line. I wanted a solid candle closing above it. Descending triangle pattern. The stock has fallen. After the fall, there was a beautiful descending triangle pattern with many touches, and all I wanted was a this candle. Now let's see. Birla Corp went with 1.5 lakhs, booked 7.5% around this particular stock. Okay, so let's see that what is my risk reward ratio in this trade. 7% is my risk, and I booked around 7.5. Okay, so that was a 1:1 risk reward ratio trade again. Also, 1:1 is exactly happening at the top resistance from where I've thrown the counter trend line. So this right here is giving you a solid supply zone also. Okay, let's see what happened. Next day, back to back green candles, green, 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 and back to back green candles. So every single day there was a green candle. Again, this type of movement is rare. This type of movement you will not see. Market always first, maybe it starts falling. The moment you take the stock, it starts maybe falling, then goes back up, goes to the target, near your targets, near your red zone, and then back to the green zone and gives target maybe near the stop loss and then the target. These are pathways how your trade reaches. The most important thing is target, stop loss. In between that, if you are changing your things like exiting, entering, exiting, entering, that's just pure gambling. You're doing nothing else. If you are really a professional trader, like this, if you're trading with a set rule, set structures and data points, then you need to focus on only two things after entering a trade: your target, your stop loss, end of the deal. Beard sell, this is the next trade idea. Okay, so I've not done the bar replay. Let's do the bar replay. So this was my setup right in front of you guys. A very beautiful trade. And by the way, if you are liking this video, अगर आप लोगों को ये वीडियो पसंद आ रहा है and इस वीडियो से आप लोगों को वैल्यू मिल रही है, then definitely guys give it a like. While exiting this video, definitely give this video a beautiful like. We're aiming for 50 likes for this video. Now coming back to the video, so again I've thrown a counter trend line at this area. These type of trades work even better in these Trump markets right now, guys, believe me. This type of trades, higher time frame trades are working much better. Daily time frame is also a big time frame, but higher time frames like weekly and monthly type of idea, if you are having that, then the process gets easier for you. So right here, beautiful counter trend line, and risk reward management, if you see. So that was the resistance. It used to be a very strong resistance. Stock almost gave lower circuits after that, and then when it was not into lower circuits and everything, it was out of the circuits and everything, and it's been making good price action. It created a false breakdown. Okay, exited some people from their position, higher lows, breakout of the counter trend line. Okay, a very simple trade idea right here. 8% risk, and my 1:1 risk reward matches the top of the pattern right here, the supply zone. Okay, and now let's see the next week. It opens, gaps up, and then directly there was a momentum breaching. Okay, I could have just caught the 1:2 also, but 1:1 was it. That's it for me, and I exited this trade as with beard sell. Went with only, oh no, actually, to be honest, you guys can see the breakdown also. When I entered, what was my quantities? Okay, so I entered with only 60,000 in this particular trade. Well, that's pretty nice, because I must have booked 16% then, and that is 1:2 in this particular trade. So yeah, that's a thing that I just saw right here. So that was even a better trade, although I went with less quantity because looks like more of a choppy type of formation. So I went with lesser quantity, 50,000, and I booked 1:2. So yes, as I planned, as I told you guys right in front of you, these were the 4 trades that I took. Over almost 43,000 rupees of profit was booked throughout these 4 trades. I hope you learned something today. Some trades used to be working in the previous markets, but now they are not working. Some trades are working. So if you guys see the pattern, the formation, the structuring, the risk reward management, then that's really nice. Understand it, work on it, practice, and if you have any doubts you want to ask me, then the only way to question me, the only way to ask me anything is the Telegram. I'm active on Telegram. I do not follow anything else like Twitter or Instagram or anything else. I'm just active on the Telegram, so that I can directly contact you guys, directly have a great discussion with you. Keep learning, guys, and keep subscribing. If you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe to this channel, because a lot of beautiful content is going to come in future. More trades, better trades. See you guys in episode number 13. Till then, keep making profits. Good luck.